Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, effective way to find all the user information, including emails, for your Shopify store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to look to access owner and staff details, so you can reach out, manage your team, or get in touch with the right people whenever you need. All right, let's dive in. First thing you want to do is log into your Shopify admin page. If you're new to Shopify or haven't visited this part of the site before, the admin page is kind of like your shop's control center. This is where you manage your products, track orders, customize your site, basically the brain of your whole online business. So once you're logged in, you'll see a menu along the left-hand side. This is your main navigation panel. From here, click on Settings, which you'll find near the bottom of that menu. Now, Settings is where Shopify keeps all the nuts and bolts for running your store, from shipping options to payment gateways. But today, we're interested in the section that manages your team and user accounts. So inside the settings area, look for the tab called Users. Sometimes, depending on your version or if you're using Shopify Plus, it might say Users and Permissions. Either way, that's the section you want. Go ahead and click on it, and Shopify will display a list of all users who have some kind of access to your store. These could be business partners, staff, developers, anyone you've invited or allowed to help manage the shop. Now, to find detailed information about any owner or user, just click the name or profile of the person you're interested in. Don't worry if you have a long list. Shopify keeps everything organized, so you can scroll or use the search box to find folks quickly. Clicking on the user's name opens up their profile, and this is where you'll see their contact information. For this tutorial, I'll focus on how to find their email address, because that's usually the first piece of info you need when you want to reach out, reset an account, or add someone to a notification list. After you've clicked on the user, the email address will be displayed right there in their profile. Take a moment to double-check you're looking at the right person, especially if several users have similar names. If you're managing a big team, it might be a good idea to jot down who's who, or make a habit of reviewing this list from time to time, just to keep things organized and up to date. If you're ever wondering why this step matters, think about those moments when you need to troubleshoot an account, update permissions, or simply send a quick message to a collaborator. Having instant access to emails and owner info really streamlines communication and keeps your store running smoothly. It's also a convenient way to keep your contacts safe and avoid confusion later on if someone joins or leaves your business. That's it. Pretty straightforward, but incredibly useful. Now you know exactly how to find and view all owners' and users' information, including emails, right inside your Shopify admin. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions you have down in the comments. I'm always happy to help clarify or dig a bit deeper. And if you want more tips to make managing your online store even easier, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.